going to create our invoice tracker. First thing you want to do is go ahead and name it. So click here, invoice tracker. Then we'll go down here to A1 and we'll start listing the column header. So invoice number, client, description, amount, issue date, the due date, if it was paid or not, the date paid, and a note or two about it. Make it kind of stand out, so we'll bold it. And if we go to view, we can freeze the first row, make it a little easier to see. We can also make it gray to make it stand out a little bit more when we're looking at it. We also will make this currency so we know it's always in the right thing. And then for this date paid column, this is where we can add some data validation for the kind of that helps for the summary that we'll create later on. So you'll go here, you'll go to data, down here at data validation, you want to add a rule. Criteria will be dropped down, and then you want to add, the first one will be yes, the second one will be no, whoops. And then you want to go ahead and have it start on G2 instead of G1. And that's it. Once you do that, you hit done. And now you have you can just go ahead and do that. You drop down, you can pick yes or no if it was paid or not. From there, we can add a couple sample invoices to show you how this thing would work. I have them off here, so let's go ahead and copy them in. We can go ahead and click them no and yes. And now from here, you have two invoices. So over here is where we want to create kind of the summary and the tracking system. So we'll write a summary, total invoice, total paid, and total outstanding. Total outstanding is just going to be the amount of invoices less the amount of paid. Total invoices is going to be the sum of everything. And then for the total paid, this is where that column G tab comes in. So we'll do a sum if column G equals yes. And when you write yes, you got to put it in quotations. And then where were we summing? We are summing this. So there you have it. Format that right. You have your little summary here off to the right that shows you the amount that is outstanding. So now if we change this to yes, you can see that, oh, everything's paid off. We change it to no, no collections. So there you have it. It's a very simple little invoice tracker, but it can be very, very useful.